In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can change its theme. Firstly, just open Settings and scroll down to access Themes. Then hit Themes at the bottom left corner and select one of those. Tap on one of those options, or click on the search bar at the top and type in wherever you want to. When you finished, click on the best theme for you. And select Download at the bottom. When your new theme is ready, click Apply and wait. So when I do that, as you can see, theme of my device has changed. If you want to go back to the default one, access Settings again, then select Themes, but this time click on Menu at the bottom right corner. Now select My Stuff at the top, click on Default, and tap on Apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!